When I on Diddy party?
Absolutely. For the last 15 years, all of them.
Can I say Zimbo?
Diddy party. Parle de Diddy party, oui.
En fait, comment Diddy party gay?
On sell Diddy party gay.
Ça veut dire ça arrête monsieur pour lui.
You ba arrêter Diddy party. You ba arrêter Diddy party. You arrêter Diddy pour things that makes no sense to me other than the things that I don't agree with. You lock somebody up because he's freaky? Okay. I guess.
Fait monsieur qu'on lit vrai.
The extreme littest party you ever been to. And me being there.
Non, ambiance,
belle musique, belle femme, belle manger.
Manger, clair, tout qu'on a party. Party. On a piscine, bye.
Attendez, même je sais pas. Ça va le montrer.
Malmouto. L'on fait. L'on fait, Diddy at marché, you bumping into Vin Diesel.
Yeah.
Or.
Ça veut dire toute l'industrie.
Everybody is there. Everybody, you know. Magunta Diddy fed behind closed doors, which is not my business.
Yeah.
But as a kid that came from Haiti, m'bad gen kop pou m'bay Diddy pou an feature pou an musique même ça Burna Boy sot fait pour Joey a, même baga la. French Montana, Golden Boy relem yo, Diddy vle mou tep sou musique ou an. Let's do it. M'de gen kop m'de pay Diddy.
Yeah.
He felt pou mwen change my life. Ma gen bad pou m'dia
okay.
About him.
Histoire musique ça, it's like that how c'est les bola qui te push musique or was organic at first?
Organic. Just relation gen avec tout DJ yo.
Et tout n'a commencé jouer.
Every DJ that I have a friendship with played a part in that song. It was never fans. I got the DJs before fans. The DJs helped me build the fan base.
Vous avez signé un label ça?
No.
It's after.
You see in 2016. After everything blew up. I'm seeing pour blow a check. You're seeing pour everything else that was on my hard drive.
Ça autant dit, ça peut quand même sortir.
LA Reid CM après le temps de sync music. Yeah, Diddy te fâché, il dit, oh, bah, signer avec moi, signer à LA Reid, da. I'm dit, man, vous faites me favor de faire déjà, thank you. I like that, you my man.
Okay, Kony, in terms of royalties, tu as parlé de publishing, royalties, publishing.
Yeah.
Gan pile kop dans rap là?
Absolutely.
Oui, mais le rap c'est numéro 1.
Ouais, général aux États-Unis,
écoute aux États-Unis.
On connaît, mais par rapport à comme si on rappeur dans notre rap, monsieur.
Absolutely. Yeah, Cobb. Syncs.
You're still getting royalties from.
Absolutely, from everything. Yeah. Long as it's. That's the good thing about stream. Long as it streams.
Like my shit.
I could be dead.